Today, I want to present to you this beauty. We're going to call it Ginger. So Ginger is a very beautiful property, renovated. So everything was done between 2020 and today. Kitchen, 2 years old, bathrooms, 2 years old, new roof, new air conditioners. You're going to love this amazing property. Let me show you Ginger and let's see what you think about it. Ginger is located in the beautiful community of the Islands. As I mentioned to you before, this beauty is breathtaking. I'm gonna show you why. So Ginger is gonna show us today this high ceilings, beautiful, bright property. And here we are going to enjoy a 4-bedroom property, 3 bathrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and an OASIS to die for. Let's go. Tastefully remodeled and a very spacious master bathroom. Every single detail was taken into consideration. You like to do laundry? Well, this is the perfect spot for you. Another suite, very spacious suite with a full bathroom. Now, Ginger, let's see your kitchen. You like to entertain? Well, check this out. Ginger will just do the trick for you. Spaces to die for. And guess what? Ginger is like a fish tank. Check this out. It's bright and cozy. You can enjoy that beautiful view every day, all the time. And to top it off, a beautiful cabana bathroom that will take you also to this beautiful OASIS. I'll show you now. Now, this is a piece of paradise. A private island here in your backyard. Don't just take my word for it. Come and visit Ginger and experience this Ginger effect. I'm sure you are going to love it.